So it's really a real nice day out, but I'm looking for Zoe and I still can't find her. I don't know where she's at. It's kind of hard to find a little cat outside. I assume that she probably went looking for someone to mate with, which is bad. Because I don't want kittens. She was supposed to be getting fixed like this month because Shauna was getting money back from income tax. Not good. Can you spot the Zoe? So I can't. We're weirdos. We still have Christmas stickers. Christmas and Halloween. Look at this. Christmas. Christmas. Halloween. Very weird. Anyway, I'm gonna keep looking for her for a little bit and then probably go back to bed, and then I'll see you guys later.
Hey! I can't. Guess who's here? It's me. Oh. Oh? The cat messed up my laptop. It says, oh, dot star asterisk. Anyway. I moved here today. Well, yesterday. What time is it? Yesterday.
After 12.
So it's 1:30 a.m. So I moved there on Wednesday. It's no longer Wednesday. Yeah. Bye. Hi. I'm done. I have my... Here, sit. Good boy. You, boo-boo, sit. Zeke's good. But this little shit, that little shit jumping right there, he bit Zeke's bird and made him cry, the poor thing. Had to put him in his kennel and then put Zeke outside for them to cool down because they were so angry at each other. He just peed on the floor. So this is Courtney's little bed until we get the room cleaned out. It's gonna be a slow process because Jonah working and me sore and broken, but we'll get it done. And Zoe's being a little bother to the dog. It's driving me crazy. She's in heat right now. So annoying. So yeah, we're getting ready. Sorry, my hair just tickled on my face. We're gonna get ready and watch a movie and just relax. I don't have to go see Jonah on his break, so I only had to pick him up in the morning, so I don't need to stay up. So probably gonna fall asleep. I'm really tired. And that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey. Yo, I put it all in front of you for all of y'all to see. Business got me acting proper, dot my I's and cross my T's. You'll be stumbling out the vodka every night, you won't succeed. Woke up paving different lanes that made a vision from a dream. Now that dream's burning in motion, I'm a shark up in this ocean. Wonder why life doors keep closing, cause your mind ain't open. Too comfy to act hungry for more money, you foolish. You think Bill Gates made $1 million and stopped pursuing to try to shut me down, but I turned up.